These Vans went through hell and back. I mean, look at them. In this video, we are going to revive them and bring them back to life. Starting with the suppliers, we're gonna need a sneaker cleaner foam, a tissue, wipes, clean cloth, a scrub brush, a soft brush, and last but not least, some clean water. First, we pump the foam to the soft brush and let the scrubbing work begins. Make sure you scrub properly until you start seeing the difference. And for the midsole, we are going to use the scrub brush. Make sure you scrub properly. To get even better results, make sure you scrub at the bottom of the shoe. So these are the side-to-side pictures of the shoe, the other one clean and the other one still dirty. So we're done with the first one, it is time to do the second one. And to prevent oxidation, we are going to apply the tissue all around the wet shoe and let it dry. After the shoe is dried out completely, we'll need some wipes to make sure we remove all the excess tissue on the shoe. And as you can see, after drying, remove the tissue and you can see the shoe is spotless.